That morning the sun made its way through the windshield of my Chevrolet. Whiskey eyes and ashtray breath on a church rock gravel road. What the hell did I do last night? That's the story of my life, like trying to remember words.
Let's go.
To a song nobody wrote.
That's a great shot, homie. That bird was...
And it's sad. There's a bunch sitting on the water to your right. Are they actually? Kill them. I don't see them anymore. Oh, there they are. Yeah. Come on, a little further. A little further. I'm going to sluice that one in the middle. I'd like to get a nice group, about 15. All right, there, kill him. Kill him. Somebody kill him. Did he dive?
Nope.
Kill him again. No,
Nope.
no. How you know shoot that duck out? He right there.
Bad shell.
He real close. Too easy.
Arrow no there. Come here.
I don't see him. Kill him. Yeah, he's out there too far now. I didn't. You guys have better eyes than me, obviously, because
He came in from.
he's going right over there. I lied. They're not. They're not. They're not. This is a wood duck. Kill him. Kill him.
Unbelievable.
Fellas, that was piss poor.
That was pretty bad.
He was broadside coming in.
He was. Remember that one you had right on the water, right out front, right out front, right out front. Don't move. Or you can. Come on, make it the whole way. Kill him. Nice shot, Dre.
Still alive. The one out there.
Yeah, he is. That's not a bird, Cal.
He was gonna get that duck.
There's a shit ton of geese real high. Try 'em. Up front. This guy might do it here. Kill him. Oh, Cal, you hit him.
Yep. Yep. He went down on the amount.
Yeah, be ready on the right side. If you got a shot, shoot him. Right there, too. Kill him. I don't. What's out front? Is that geese? I don't know what those are. I would hold on. They fly like geese, but I don't think it is. No, it is geese, and they just dropped them. Yeah. Yes, fellas. Come on.
They were geese?
Yeah. That's a long shot. We've got 5 down already. There's none last. Well, I guess 1 goose, but there's a bunch on the water. A bunch of teal, I think, just landed out there. Oh, there.
We're good.
They land down in here. They're gonna take the back. Kill him. Got him. Heads
Coming
up.
right at you.
Kill him.
Coming right at you.
You gotta unleash your inner beagle. Got him. Oh. There you go. Get him. Yep.